Welcome to Crypto IDs. Congratulations on creating your new token. Now it's time to list it on a statistical website such as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. But wait, have you stopped at providing API for total supply and circulating supply? It's true that most of people can't even submit or list their token because they don't have access to a token supply tracking API. No worry, we got your back. We provide API for all Ethereum virtual machine compatible token. Please follow the steps in video to get your token supply API. Why do we need token supply API? To find its solution, we have to know what actually total supply and circulating supply is. As per CoinMarketCap documentation, total supply is the total amount of coins in existence right now, minus any coins that have been verifiably burned, and circulating supply is the best approximation of the number of assets that are circulating in the market and in the general public's hands. We have found that circulating supply is a much better metric than total supply for determining the market capitalization. The method of using the circulating supply is analogous to the method of using public float to determine the market capitalization of companies in traditional investing. So how do you get your API? You can get service link from the description. You can use any one like Fiverr, Buy Me a Coffee or Gumroad. However, if you check out using Buy Me a Coffee, it has less fee and no additional charges, which cost you far less than other two platforms. You can always reach us using our website cryptoids.info. We offer 3 package. First one is Total Supply API, which cost $15, and second one is Circulating, which cost $40. If you can get both as combo for $55. We also offer API endpoint URL as an extra service for $10. Why should you consider our service? If you search for the same service we offer, you may find out prices are higher. But we offer it at lowest possible cost and also provide long-term support without any additional charges. We only charge if you upgrade from lower package to upper. If you already have highest package, you don't have to pay anything. We will happy to assist you in future. Our API is fast, reliable and real-time. You've served over 30 happy clients. So what are you waiting for? Get your project to next level by listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. What information do we need to make API for your project? First, we need your token contract address, and if you have any locked or burn wallet address, you can provide use, which give most accurate circulating supply result. You can see in video a demonstration how to chat us using website. Please note there is no bot behind the chat. If you don't get reply in time, it's possible that or have out of working hour. You can also contact us through Fiverr, while it charge you some extra if you place order. Thank you for watching Crypto IDs. Take your project to next level.